If LibreOffice Calc is showing error 520, don't panic. This error usually means there is an internal syntactical issue, an unknown token or a formula problem that Calc cannot understand. In simple terms, something in the formula is written in a way the spreadsheet cannot read properly. In this video, I'll show you how to fix LibreOffice error 520 step by step. And if this helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Let's start with the most common cause. Error 520 can appear when a formula has a dangling operator at the end. That means a math symbol is left hanging without a value after it. For example, if you type equals A1 plus B1 plus instead of equals A1 plus B1, LibreOffice will not know what to do with the extra plus sign. So the first thing you should do is click the cell showing the error and carefully inspect the formula in the input bar. Look for anything incomplete, such as a plus sign, minus sign, slash, asterisk, or bracket that was not closed properly. Fixing that one character is often enough to solve the problem immediately. If the formula looks correct, the next thing to check is whether the file came from Excel. Sometimes, when you open an Excel spreadsheet in LibreOffice, the calculation engine interprets formulas differently, and that can trigger error 520 unexpectedly. To fix that, go to the top menu and click Tools, then Options. If you're on a Mac, go to LibreOffice, then Preferences. In the sidebar, expand LibreOffice Calc and choose Calculate. Now look for the settings related to wildcards or regular expressions in formulas. If regular expressions are enabled and the file is not meant to use them, uncheck that option. Then try switching the settings strictly to enable wildcards instead. This tells LibreOffice to handle the formulas in a more compatible way. After making the change, click OK and reopen or recalculate the spreadsheet to see if the error is gone. Now let's look at the built-in tracing tool, which is extremely useful when you cannot immediately see the broken formula. Click directly on the cell that shows error 520. Then go to the top menu and select Tools, Detective, and Trace Error. LibreOffice will draw red or blue arrows that point you toward the source of the problem. Follow those arrows back through the sheet until you find the original cell or formula string causing the mismatch. This is one of the fastest ways to locate errors in larger spreadsheets, especially when multiple formulas depend on each other. As you follow the trace arrows, check each reference cell for missing values, incorrect cell references, unclosed parentheses, or text accidentally entered where a number should be. Even a tiny typo can break a formula chain and lead to this error. If needed, rewrite the formula from scratch rather than trying to patch a complicated broken one. That often gives you a cleaner and more reliable result. If you are still seeing error 520 after checking the formula and adjusting the calculate settings, try isolating the problem by simplifying the formula. Remove parts of it one at a time until the error disappears. Then you'll know exactly which section is causing the issue. You can also copy the formula into a plain text editor first to inspect hidden characters or formatting that may have been brought in from another spreadsheet app. To recap, LibreOffice error 520 is usually caused by a syntactical mistake, a dangling operator, incompatible Excel formula behavior, or a broken reference in the formula chain. The fastest fixes are checking the formula for incomplete symbols, adjusting the calculate settings, and using trace error to follow the arrows back to the source. Once you identify the bad formula or setting, the spreadsheet should calculate normally again. If this tutorial helped you fix the issue, please like the video and subscribe for more LibreOffice tips, spreadsheet fixes, and beginner-friendly software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.